here I am. Today is a technical inspection of the 1,000 miles of Czechoslovakia. It's a race down to, it's a race, check out that old Beamer there. It's a race that runs from here down to Bratislavia, and then after they get down there, they do a hill climb the next day. And then after that, it's back here. 1,600 kilometers, roughly 1,000 miles. All the cars have to be before the Second World War. You can see there's Bugattis, there's Beamers, Opels. Of course, you got your Czech cars in there, some Skodas. Got some Opels, all types of stuff. There's some old school. You can see the number 37. There's an old school Bugatti race car. Look at that. Beautiful Beamer here. Look at that two-seater Beamer. Check out that dash. Nice. Don't make them like that anymore. You can see the silverish blue cars and Arrow over there. Nice. Don't know what Beamer this is. Looks like a 500 series. Yeah, that's an Arrow. And that Arrow is number 14 there. I think that is one of the only bodied Arrows of that model. It comes out of the Czech National Technical Museum, but that's the only one that's bodied like that. I can't remember the guy who did it, but nice cars in there.
Autoklubu. Pana Šťovíčka už ho vidím, dobré ráno. Máme tu čest, že nám osobně odstartuje několik prvních posádek. Takže na startu máme startovní číslo 1, nádherný červený vůz. Já vás se známou posádkou pánu Nečesánku. Šťastnou cestu. Jsou to manželé Kašparovi, hrozně rád je tady vidím, musím mi to říkat včera. Jste rádi, že jste tady?
I like this team. 2 young girls. Look at that.
Já si to vůbec nemyslím.
The side of the car it says Czech to Morocco, 2,000, 12,000 kilometers. It's a 1939 Skoda Popular.
Ale věřím, takže dneska se poprvé uvidíme v Bratislavě.
Ik zit nog in de auto, jongen.
Check out this MG. Nice. An interesting Tatra here. It's a big sunroof in it. Wheel cover is very dynamic. I really think this is a cool looking one. Love the way the front end is. Some more cars in the race. Back one, number 90's Ford, you can see. That's a nice big Buick. Tatra. Guys getting ready. The blue Tatra there, blue and silver. interesting one. Have no idea what it is. Oh, that looks like a Bentley. Let's see. No, sorry. Number 88 is a Bugatti. Auburn. In Jaguar. Number 115. Bugatti, the yellow and black, number 94. Inside of that, that's so cool. It's an Adler. Ooh, I like this one. No idea what they are, what year. Oh, another Bugatti. This definitely. It's a Studebaker. No, LaSalle. MG. Fish tailpipes sounding mean. Here comes one of my favorite cars of the whole race. It's a lovely Tatra. Look at that.